Hi guys, welcome back to SRE Customs. I got my 46 bolted on the Baja test rig. I got the RC Max pipe that came with it on there, but I'm kind of taking a look at trying this. Once I get this engine all broken in, I'm thinking about trying my pipe on it, my expansion chamber on it. It fits right on the header, so it's definitely shorter and bigger around. Stingers are identical diameter. So I'll plug this off and pour it and see what the volumes are, see how close they are. But can anyone tell me in the comments, because I don't know. This looks to me like a top end pipe, but I don't know. It seems with pipes that you just have to try them. But please fill me in. I need some help. Let me know where this is supposed to make power. What's the RPM range? So I got it. I'm just about done. I got to do my kill. I got to put a breather on and cage and body and gears. And pick a set of tires for it, and what body I'm gonna run and stuff, but it's not a big deal. So just wanted to let you guys take a look and kind of fill me in what you think about what the difference. It's very, very, very similar. Okay, that's right butted up. So in length, this volume's got to be close, because this is about a half an inch bigger in diameter or more. So I'll have to measure it to be exact, but actually measure that because I know what that is. But anyway, and I see, that it would have been a problem to make this a true end bleed pipe, but might do something with that too. I might do some experimenting around with that, move that and see exactly if that changes anything at all. Usually it's this end that makes the big difference. This end, you just restrict till the engine overheats, then back up one, and that's the best you're going to get. So with that particular pipe. Okay guys, just a quick vid, let you know what's going on. The 5th, I'm heading down to see Fiskale Ripper, Vance. We're going to run a bunch of stuff, have some fun. He's got all his cars up and running. I got 4 or 5 of mine up and running. So we're going to go down and have some fun. Alright guys, SRE, out.